One aspect of what we're doing in trying to understand how the listener is engaged by the material is that notion of engagement. What does it mean to be deeply involved in a story or a narrative or a homily that's being told? And one aspect of it is your attention is directed to the words and the messages that are being said. And you may be aroused by it, you may be excited, you may be even perhaps a little sad, but that's a form of arousal too. And the question is, how do you measure that arousal? Your pupil in your eye increases in diameter as you get engaged or aroused by material you're listening to, when you focus your attention on it. And so we can measure that using special devices called eye tracking systems that allow us to measure where you're looking, in this case where you're just listening, how much your pupil has expanded, which reflects how aroused and engaged you are. So we can measure aspects of attention and arousal, how engaged you are in the material, how it affects you emotionally with scalp electrodes and measure the electrical activity of your brain. But at the same time, we want to be able to measure something that is closer to your behavioral responses. And to do that, we measure pupillary dilation.